Hi everyone, my name is Claire Culbertson and I am majoring in elementary education K through 8 and then I'm doing a minor in special education. I am from Bozeman, Montana, however I attended the Belgrade Public Schools. I am currently in Great Falls at Valley View Elementary doing the residency project. And for those of you who are unfamiliar with the residency project, it's where you student teach for a whole year versus the traditional semester. So I am actually student teaching first grade, and then I'll be student teaching special education as well, which I'm super excited about. And then one of the big reasons I think that I'm leaning more towards being a special education teacher is that I naturally gravitate towards the kids that need more help in a traditional classroom setting. So I'm very excited to work with all of you, and I hope we all have a great semester.